First, log into your Clover dashboard via clover.com. Select your business name to show the multi-location dashboard menu. Optionally, to see a single location, click the multi-location dashboard menu and select a single location from the list. Learn about managing inventory at a single location. From your multi-location dashboard, click on Items. Using the drop-down menu, click Item Settings. Here, manage item settings for your business. Any changes will be applied to all locations for this account. Click Edit. Adjust settings using the checkboxes. Track stock for all locations, communicates stock quantity counts to all devices in all locations, and shows current counts and prices in the Register app. Choosing this option adds a stock quantity column to the Items page, where you can set and adjust item counts. If you don't want to track stock at all, clear this option. Automatically update stock count for all locations updates the inventory by reducing the number of each item in stock with each sale at any location. Finally, select Save.